defined. So using below services in ADF version 1, the transformations will be done. Number 1 is ADLS. No. ADLA. What is ADLA? Azure Data Lake Analytics. This Azure Data Lake Analytics is only available for ADLS Gen 1. You can guess what is ADLS? Azure Data Lake Storage. Azure Data Lake Storage. Got it. Azure Data Lake Storage has two versions, two flavors. Gen 1, which is old one. Gen 2, which is new one. So this ADLA, Azure Data Lake Analytics, is used only for the Gen 1. Data Lake Gen 1 version. Got it. Because in olden days, at the time of version 1, there is no Gen 2. At the time of version 1, there is only Gen 1 of the data lake. So within this Gen 1, analytics are performed by USQL. What is USQL? Unified Structured Query Language. Okay, this is not exactly equivalent to your basic SQL, your TSQL. The USQL coding shape is completely different. Got the point, sir? One of the weapon is USQL. Where is that? USQL. Second, the second way, there is a service called HDInsights. HDInsights. HDInsights means Hadoop Insights. Actually, Hadoop is a distributed big data platform of distributed computing system. Got it. Same Hadoop system, same Hadoop big data framework in Azure cloud, that is called HDInsights. In the HDInsights, sir, if meeting terminated, please join immediately. In 10 minutes, this meeting is going to be terminated. Please join immediately with the same link. Okay. HDInsights. In HDInsights, we have a data flow language that is called PIG. Understand? Using PIG. The PIG is a data flow language. Data flow means is a data flow is a collection of pipes. Pipe to pipe, different transformations are happening. Got it? Maybe at pipe 1, data extraction. At pipe 2, data cleaning. At pipe 3, creating new fields. In the pipe 4, aggregations. In the pipe 5, sorting. In the pipe 6, writing data into output. Okay? Such kind of languages. Previously, what they used in Hadoop kind of systems, in Hadoop, there is an ecosystem called PIG. By using PIG, these data flow language, these data flows will be written to perform the transformations. Got it? I'm talking about not EL. In ADF version 1, the core activities of ADF can perform extract and load, but not the transformations. To perform the transformations, you need additional weapons like a USQL, that means some scripting, or else PIG script. Everything is a scripting style of languages. Whether you have to write script of USQL or PIG, or there is another way. Azure functions. You have to write Azure functions. Azure functions is a serverless architecture. What is serverless? What is serverful? These things later in the later concepts we can discuss by using Azure functions. Or else Another most important way, Azure Databricks. Still other things are there. Simply I am saying as etc. To perform the transformations, you should be a developer first. Understand? First of all, you should be a developer. That too, you should be expert in scripting. Whether you have to use USQL or Pig or Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a lot of complex code. Azure Databricks more complex code when compared with the traditional coding. Got it? First of all, you have to be. Suppose you are writing Azure Databricks means already you are a Spark developer. Understand the point, sir? Already you are a Spark developer. Then only you can write Azure Databricks code. In Azure Databricks, we write notebooks, but to write that notebooks, you should know Spark coding. You should know Spark API. Or else your company decided to perform the transformation using Pig. You should know Pig language. Understand? 99% of our audience did not hear about this word even, Pig. Generally, you know, the animal or pig. Why they call it what pig eats, sir? What pig eats? Give a biryani, it will eat. Give dash, it will eat. That means pig can process structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. That is the meaning of that one. That's why they put a beautiful name called pig. Understand? Some food is under lower levels of the earth. Pig can grunt it. Pull it to the up, then starts eating. Whatever the nasty, dirty data it is, pig can process it. That's why to respect that animal, they put that name to that language. Okay, that language is pig. Got it? Suppose still if there is a ADF version 1, if there is no version 2, first of all, to perform the ETL activities, that means in the style of ELT, first of all, you should be a developer. The prerequisite is you should be a developer. Got it? So this is the problem with ADF version number 1. After that, Microsoft realized and recognized this problem. Because already existed a lot of ETL tools are there. 80% of the work is drag and drop, but 20% you have to write your SQL scripts only. Then Microsoft decided, let's make one ETL tool with zero coding. With zero coding. That's why they launched a new version called ADF version 2. Currently it is available. Mr. Sanjay, ADF version 2. Got it. In version 2, no need to use all this bloody stuff. Understand? You know what to do, what kind of transformation you need to perform, how to configure that. If you know, that is enough, no need of coding knowledge. But SQL somewhere, SQL, you have to use. That a little query. In table, there is a data I want to fetch only whose salary greater than 50,000. I don't want to load all the things. I want to fetch only greater than 50,000 salary. For that, you need to write some query. That much of basic SQL is enough. Okay, I have loaded into my target system. Whether data loaded perfectly or not, to check it, I need some SQL knowledge. Got it? Okay. So ADF version 2 is like almost, you can say, is a zero coding ETL tool. Of course, style is ELT, remember. Okay, ETL tool. That's why nowadays it become hero because of zero coding. Because if there is a pain, we hate it, right? That is the reason it is hero. Got it? We love it not based on the performance. We love it because of zero coding. But in fact, the performance of ADF is also very superb. Not only the zero coding is advantage, the performance, even though multi terabytes of data, you want to process that multi terabytes of data, I can process it with very high speed. Okay, especially that facilities are with version 2. In version 2, you have all features of previous one. Addition to that, you have data flows. You have data flows. For the data flow purpose, previously what they were using, they are writing pig scripts to write the complex data flows. Understand? Or else alternate to the pig, Databricks, Azure Databricks code they are doing. But now, as a ADF developer, you need not to use Databricks, you need not to use pig language or Azure functions. Straight away, whatever the complex, even complex transformation you can perform. The complex transformation you will define, you will configure by using data flows. Got it? That way without writing any code. Drag and drop simply. Got it? So whenever I submit, when you run data flows, you create, as a developer, you created a data flow. After that, you are running data flows. When you run data flows will be converted as Databricks jobs. DFs will be converted as Databricks jobs. These jobs executed by Spark cluster. You did not write any Spark coding here. So previously, one Databricks developer, suppose you are a Azure Functions developer, definitely you don't know Databricks. I am expert in pig, definitely I don't know Databricks. Okay, I am a Databricks developer, definitely I am weak in remaining things. Understand the point, sir? Everything. You will just define data flows. You will just define data flows. Automatically data flows in the runtime that will be converted into Databricks jobs. Databricks